Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to calculate the discount offered in the analysis and dashboard spreadsheet. A quick look at the mark scheme. And then we will move on to. Okay, let's have a quick look at that. So where is the discount? This is the mark scheme. It's got all the requirements as the normal document would have. And then if you go down, you'll get the answers. You get to the answers section. So this is task 1, the report, and it gives you an example of how a good answer should look like. We're looking after task 2. We are after task 2, and then 2A. Where is 2A? Here you go. So 2A, the learner, you import the data, wants to see how much discount each customer would be offered on their next book purchase using the discount table on the analysis worksheet. So this is the discount table. This is the discount table on the analysis worksheet. So if you go back and let's try to read our requirement. So we want to see how much discount each customer would be offered on the next purchased book purchased using the discount table on the analysis sheets. Add the column after the book price column, import data, and display the discount offered. Add another column and call it discount offered. So I'm going to go to my import data, and just after the book price, I will add discount offered. So I added my column. So now what do we need to do to calculate the thing? We need the function VLOOKUP. Use an appropriate function to display the discount amount for the first book in the list. So we do the function for the first book in the list. So equals VLOOKUP. So we do equals VLOOKUP, and then once you start typing, the function will show up. So now the lookup value, we're gonna have to look to decide what are we looking for. We're looking for the price, the book price, and then we will apply the appropriate discount or the relevant discount for each book price. Where is this discount? Where do we find the value of this discount? It's in a table. Which table was it? It was in the discount table. So $4.99, the price $4.99 would have 0.55 discount. The price $10.99 would have a 1.2 discount. So I'm going to select my table from A15 to B19, and then I won't go anywhere. I'll just do my comma, and then which column am I looking for? So I will first look for the lookup value. I will give this price, okay? I will give this price here, and want in return, I want the discount for each price. So the first one we looked at is $4.99. So for each price, I want to get back the value for the discount. The value for the discount in this table is in column 2. We have column 1 and then column 2. So then I will type 2 for my column. And the last thing is whether I want true for approximate match or false for exact match. I want exact match. True or false means 1 and 0. So exact match. I will close my bracket and click enter. And then you get all of it there. But now the problem here is this reference, these cell references. The cell references is a problem because it moves. It moves with every, with every cell. Can you see? It changes with every cell. So now I have A18 to B22. A18 to to B22. That's my table now because it's moved. That's the relative referencing of the cells. The cell number moves every time you move a row. So A18 to B22, you don't get anything because it's an error. It gives you an error. So best thing to avoid the error is to use absolute referencing. How do we use absolute referencing? Is to add a dollar sign before each element of this range. So before A, which is the column name, I add a dollar sign. Then before 15, again before B, and before 19. So now if I click enter, I have all the discount offered, display. Because now if I change the A15 to B19 will never change. It's an absolute referencing, absolute referencing. So this one is dedicated to Nancy. Well done, very well done for your efforts. And I hope it will help you. If you have any questions, further questions, just email me and I'll try to help as soon as possible. I'll see you guys later. You take care. Bye.